18th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about the further question generation. We take the random word and we make the question from that specific entity or a word. For example, we can take the word friendship. First thing that you can see what type of the words that can appear after the friendship, like its types, styles, problem, might be relationships. After covering these specific types, you can classify these things like good friendship, bad friendship, eternal friendship, friendship, example, history, and friendship. Also, some other types we can ask like friendship types, take business lessons, friendship in us. But while creating these specific context vector, we focus first on this specific concept. Like we generate the question that what is the definition of friendship? What is friendship? For example, what is the meaning of friendship? But in this case, this specific question is basically about like it reflects the context that what is the motive of friendship? What is the purpose of friendship? So in this case, you can go like, what is the purpose of basically the benefits of friendship is a good or a bad. Eternal friendship basically is a long term or a short term or eternal friendships. Friendships, we can give examples from history and what are the basically different types of mood for the different types of friendship. You can ask for them. And now here is the main thing that you did not know about which question you can choose and which question is fit or let's say create the more relevance to that specific entity. If you ask about what is friendship, basically friendship is also the movie. So Google did not have a clear this specific question is good or create more relevance because it is the definition, it mentions the definition of friendship. And in this case, you already know it's basically gonna change the context, it's reflect the context like purpose or motive. So these did not we can use this specific type of question. And in this case, how you should know that what are the questions that you are chose that are best for your specific answer for a specific entity. Basically, you can check SERP to find or decide which question is best or more important for your content brief. But the certain things that you choose the short questions because the shorter questions are the best. And after you ask a shorter question, fix the grammar. These are the main things that you should be focused on. And after asking the representative question, for example, then go deeper with a specific context. What is the second question, or what is the definition of friendship in a child? In this part, you can go further for the contextual matter. So, according to the query network that you target, you need to generate more relevant question to query group. According to that, you need to expand your question further. And next, we focus on contextual structure and the contextual hierarchy. But we slightly come back in the question section. After the first fundamentals lectures, we'll see the real life case studies and we'll create that content briefs by ourselves. So if you don't understand, don't make it complex. In a future lectures where we cover deeply, or we'll see the live example so you can understand more better.